Hello, I have a book review for you today on Angels with Nature by Christine Vencato. This is the front of the book. It is glue bound. And this is the back of the book. The book dimensions are 8.5 by 11. There are 24 illustrations in this book. The pictures are beautiful. The paper is medium weight. The pages are non-perforated. You can easily remove one with an X-Acto knife. None of the picture runs into the seam of the book, so you won't have any problems with that if you do decide to take one out. All of the illustrations are single-sided. If you use markers, please put in a sheet of cardstock or an extra couple sheets of paper so you don't have any bleed through to the next page. Look at all the detail in that picture. Just gorgeous. I would recommend this book to intermediate to advanced colorists. That doesn't mean that a beginner shouldn't give it a try. It's just a little harder than some of the beginner books. There's a list of some of Christine's other books in the back of the book, right here. And there you have it, Angels with Nature by Christine Vencato.